Let's see how to get text predictions as you type in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, to enable text suggestions, first we have to enable it in our settings. Now, let's go ahead and open settings, just like that. Now, from here, click on time and language, and you can be able to see the typing option right here. Now, click on that and make sure that you turn on show text suggestions when typing on the physical keyboard, as well as multilingual text suggestions. And you can also opt to um, turn on autocorrect misspelled words, although that is already enabled in Microsoft Word. Now let's go ahead and try typing, and let's see how these predictions will go. Now let's type text prediction, and as you can see, we have a prediction right there of the word prediction. And to apply that to your document, you can simply click on tab and it will automatically add the entire word. And this doesn't only work on Microsoft Word, it works on any other application on your computer, especially ones that are related to Microsoft Word. For example, if you're going to send a chat through Microsoft Teams or any other software. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.